CPA marketing is one of the best and the easiest ways to make money online and work from home. In this video, I will share with you everything about CPA marketing. What is CPA, how to start, where to start, some tips and tricks, and other interesting stuff. Stay tuned. Did you know that by letting someone to download an application or entering his email only or doing any simple actions, you can make money like $1, $2, $3, or $4 or even more dollars per one action? Imagine this, it's awesome. This is what CPA is. I'm Hassan from Educate, and today I'm so excited to be with you in this new video where I will share with you almost everything about CPA marketing or cost per action marketing. Please, this video is very important. Later on, as we did in affiliate marketing, on my channel I showed you live case studies, like more than 4 case studies on how to make money online that you can copy and implement. In CPA, I will do the same. But in order to be successful later in these case studies, you have to understand all the basics, the tricks about CPA, which I explain in this video in like 10 to 15 minutes. So it's really a small video. Please watch it. I promise you, like every time, I will give you real value that may change your life. So let's start together. But please don't forget, if you like to watch more videos like this about digital marketing, online business, and making money online, hit that subscribe button now and turn on notifications to get every new update almost every day. So let's start. What is CPA? CPA, or cost per action, is simply a type of affiliate marketing. So in affiliate marketing, we promote a product, a service for someone else, and when someone buys the products, we will earn a commission. So simple. So what is a CPA and how it differs? Simply, in CPA, we are not going to sell anything. Wow, it looks great. So how to make money? Simply, in CPA, we earn per action. As an example, you can promote a mobile application, and when someone only downloads the application, only downloads it without buying anything, you will earn money. You will earn per this action. This action is downloading an application. Another example is someone entering his email address. So whenever someone enters his email address in a box, you will earn money. That's simple. There's another action, and so on. So CPA stands for cost, which is making money per action by making someone doing an action. That's simple. Now the main question is where I can find CPA offers to promote. If you followed my affiliate marketing videos, and I really advise you to do, like if you go here to my channel, to my playlists, you will find affiliate market tutorials for beginners, and you'll find affiliate marketing case studies. If you have watched these videos, you know that we have affiliate marketing networks like Click Bank as an example, like CJ network, like Impact. We have a lot of affiliate networks. Now what about CPA networks? In this video we are talking about CPA. So where we can find CPA offers? Simply CPA networks. Let's go and see an example. Here is one of the best examples of the top CPA networks worldwide. It's Max Bounty. Now Max Bounty is somehow more advanced and not for beginners, simply because they don't accept anyone. Later on I will show you in other videos how to sign up to Max Bounty and get approval and so on. But anyway, for a beginner, maybe you can't go direct to Max Bounty. You need to go with other platforms. One of the best examples for beginners is CPAlead.com. Okay, so here in these platforms, you can find a lot of CPA offers. Let's see an example to make things simple for you. Here I am in Max Bounty, and you can go here to the browse section and you can see campaigns. Okay, let's go here to search to find something, to find a campaign. And you can see the CPA rate. You can earn like $26 per lead, 1.6 per lead, and so on. So let's say this one, sweepstakes a day, win $5,000 giveaway, one field. Let's open to see what's this. So this is an offer where someone can enter his email address and you will earn $1.6 per email input, which is great, I think. Now you have to look very well on the offer before you go and start promoting. As an example, you can see the countries allowed here is only United States. This means that if you want to promote the offer, you have to promote only in the US. You don't have to be in the US, you, the marketer, no. You have to promote the offer to people in the US. So you can see here daily cap, you can do 300 actions per day. So if we calculate this, 300 by 1.6, you can make like $480 per day with this offer if you promote it for 300 actions. Here you can see the allowed traffic, like you can promote contextual in blogs, display ads, search ads, social networks, native ads, mobile ads, and so on. So this is a simple example about an email lead or email input CPA campaign where you can promote and make $1.6 per lead. Let's go to other example in CPAlead. Here I am, and let's see this. You can go down and check the offers, and you can notice something here called lockers only. You can see, I will talk about this in a little bit. This is really very important and a great option for beginners. So please focus well and follow up with me. So as an example, this is a mobile app. If someone downloads the app, you will earn $0.75. Just downloading without buying anything. This is really great. Okay, so this is an example about a mobile app like Norton Secure VPN to download and you earn like $0.75, and there's another example earning per lead $1.60. You can go here and sign up and search for offers and see the payout rate. You can see the offers, search for whatever you want, and so on. Now, before I continue, I have a very important note to tell you about, okay? I mentioned this in my affiliate marketing videos, but I want to mention it again here because I believe it's very important. It's related to your ethics, it's related to your humanity. Just be careful in CPA, especially in CPA, we have a lot of misleading offers. We have a lot of bad offers. So it's my advice for you. If you want to be a human being, if you want to really be ethical when you work online, just be sure that the offer you are selecting is ethical. You can promote a lot of games, applications, all this is legit and good to promote. But you'll find a lot of misleading content when you search in CPA. So my advice for you is to select a good offer to promote. Anyway, it's up to you. This is my advice for you. Let's continue our work. We now understood what is CPA and understood the CPA networks you can start with to start promoting. Here it comes the main question, how we can promote CPA offers, where to promote them. I will give you now 3 examples of how we can promote CPA offers. One is for beginners, maybe like you, like anyone who just started in CPA and want to test and see how it works. And the other methods is later on when you are familiar with CPA, you can start running advanced campaigns. So let's start with the beginner method. You see here, as I told you before, lockers only. This offer here, lockers only. If you go to CPAlead here and go to lockers and click on file and link locker, later on I'll explain everything in detail, but please now focus, just get the main idea. It's very important to get the points explained here. Okay, we still have only like 5 minutes, so please some patience to learn what I'm going to tell you now. File and link locker, click on create as an example, and you will see here a list of file lockers. Let's see an example directly to understand the concept. I will select this one, ebook locker. Click on use template, and here you can upload an ebook image and enter the details and so on. just focus now with me. And now the locked file URL, here you can enter a link to download a PDF. Let's say now this is my temporary URL now, just to show you this. Save and preview. Let's say test one, anything. Save and preview, finish. Okay, get links. Now you will get this link. Look at this awesome strategy. Just copy this link. You don't need a website, you don't need anything, just this link. Open it here in the browser. You will have this landing page where anyone can download this free ebook. You'll upload an image here as an example. When someone now clicks on download ebook, this locker will open. To unlock this download, you have to complete one of these actions. That's simple. So when you complete one of these actions, you will get the ebook. I mean the target person, he will get the ebook and you will earn money. You get the idea? So you are locking a free download with a content locker. So anyone downloading the ebook, you will earn money with this content locker. It's an awesome strategy, by the way, for beginners. So again, let's go here. You can see you don't need any website, just promoting this link. Now you may tell me I don't have an ebook or something to download. I will give you now a very interesting trick. Go here to Google and search for free PLR ebooks. Free PLR ebooks. You can see now free PLR downloads. Let's open this one. Of course, if you have an ebook for you, it will be awesome. But just I'm telling you this, a small trick for beginners. You will see now a lot of free ebooks you can download totally for free. PLR means that you can reuse. You have the right to use them. You have the right to sell. You have the right to edit. You have the right to do everything. No copyright here. As an example, this ebook, Build Your Email List. Let's see it. You see here we have videos, software. We have a lot of PLR products you can download and give to people for free. So you get an ebook from here, from this website or any PLR website. You can see here, it's like 1.49 megabytes. You download the ebook. It's a zip file. You upload on Google Drive or whatever, and then you lock it with this locker and tell someone, or maybe promote it on social media, on your website, whatever you want. And when someone downloads the ebook, you will make money with this content locker. I think for beginners, it's one of the best strategies to start with. I will sum it again just to get the idea. So what we are going to do is to download an ebook, a free ebook, or if you have one, it will be great. Ebook, a software, anything free, okay? You get this free stuff and you lock it here in CPAlead with a content locker. That's simple. And you start promoting on social media, on website, on email, whatever you want, you can share it. It's free. It's free. You can give it to anyone, send by email. It's a free product you want to give to someone. Now, when that someone downloads the ebook by unlocking the content locker here, by unlocking this offer here, you will get paid. That's an awesome strategy for beginners. I hope you get the point. Please, if you have any questions, any clarifications, you can go now to the comment section and write any question you want about the topic, or simply you can go to educate/forums and you can submit any question you have. You can get free support here on Educate forums, and I will be with you almost every day to answer your questions in this forum here. This is Educate forums. Just submit your questions and we'll be more than happy to support you for free. So this is about the first beginner's method, which is content locking. Now, when we move to the next method, which is the advanced method, we talk about two main important strategies: native advertising and push ads advertising. If you go now to my YouTube channel, if you remember, if you watch my video about the affiliate marketing case study, $25 per day, I showed you a live case study how to promote affiliate product with native ads. It is the same concept, but for CPA offers. So if you are interested to learn more about native ads, go and watch this video. And also, I promise you to publish CPA dedicated live case studies about promoting CPA offers with native ads, with push ads, and much more later on. But please now focus well just to continue our 2 minutes and finish our video. So the first method is promoting with native paid ads, okay? Native ads, networks like MGID, Outbrain, and so on. The other traffic source is push ads. You can go to companies like or servers like ZeroPark and launch a push ads campaign. What is push ad? I think on your mobile you got sometimes push notifications on your mobile. You can do this campaign with these services and send push notifications for like 0.003 per click. It's really a very cheap traffic source to promote CPA offers. And this is one of the best strategies. I will share with you everything in detail later on my channel. So please don't forget to subscribe and turn notifications to get every new update. Okay, we have ZeroPark, we have Referral ads, we have a lot of push ads network that I will explain later on my channel. So in this video I explained what is CPA, what are CPA networks, how to promote for beginners, how to promote for advanced users using push notifications and MGID native ad networks, and much more. And by the way, MGID have both native ads and push notifications, so you can use it for both if you want. Anyway, I will show you this later on in other videos. I don't want to make this video too long today, so I hope you get the idea. I think this is enough for today. If you have any questions, you need anything, any help, any kind of help, please comment it down under this video. I will be almost every day to answer your comments, or simply submit them to the forum so we can discuss together and help each other in CPA and affiliate and anything related to online marketing and online business. Don't forget, subscribe now, turn notifications, and like the video, and see you in the upcoming video.